Welcome to my engineering drawing playlist. Today we will discuss about the projection of the points with more examples. So let's see first of all the description. Draw projection of the following points on the same XY line. First, point A is in VP and 30 mm below HP. Then point B is in HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Then point C is 20 mm above HP and 20 mm behind VP. And last one, point D is on HP and on VP. So let's start from the first point A. So first of all, draw the reference line for the location of the point A. So this is your reference line XY. You know that this is VP and this is for the HP. Now here it is given to you, point A is in VP. So it can be anywhere over here. So here it is given to you 30 mm below HP, and here you can see HP. So 30 mm below HP. So you can draw the line which is 30 mm below this XY line. So this is the location of the point A, and you know that for the front view, the projection is always on the VP, and that is denoted by A dash. For the top view, it is projected on HP. So the top view will be on HP, that means over here, and that is denoted by A. Now we are going to draw the projection of the point A on the same XY line. So first of all, draw the reference line XY and locate this both A and A dash with reference to this XY line. So here you know that this is XY line, so you can definitely locate it, A and A dash. So first of all, locate the A dash, that is 30 mm below HP, and A, that is exactly on XY. I mention the dimension 30 mm. So it is very simple for the projection of point A. Now next one, point B is in HP and 20 mm in front of VP. So now I am going to locate the point B, that is in HP. So it is on this horizontal line anywhere, and 20 mm in front of VP. This is VP. So 20 mm in front of VP, that means on the right side of this VP. And this is given to you 20 mm in front of VP. So I can locate the point B. Now for the front view, it is always on VP. So here you can locate the B dash. And for the top view, it is on HP. So you can locate the B over here. Now you know that always horizontal plane is rotated by 90 degree in the clockwise direction. So B will move over here. That means B will be below XY line, and that is 20 mm. So now I can locate first of all B dash, that is on XY line, and B will be below XY line, and the distance is 20 mm. So I can locate the B point and mention the distance 20 mm. So that is very simple for the projection of point B. Now it's done for the point C, 20 mm above HP. So here it is 20 mm above HP and 20 mm behind VP. So here it is 20 mm behind VP. So this is the location of the point C. Now for the front view, the projection will be on the VP. That's why it is over here. That is denoted by C dash. And for the top view, the projection will be on HP, and that is denoted by C. Now once again, you know that this is HP. So it must be rotated 90 degree in clockwise direction with respect to this point. So the C point will move over here, and that's why it is above XY line. So now I can locate the C dash point first, that is 20 mm above HP, and when I rotate this horizontal plane 90 degree in clockwise direction with respect to this fulcrum point, so it will move over here. In this distance, you know that 20 mm, so C and C dash would be coincide over here. So mention it 20. So this is the projection for the point C. Now the last one, point D is on HP and on VP. So point D is on HP as well as on VP. So it will be over here. Now if I drew the front view, then it will be on VP. So it will be over here. That is denoted by D dash. And if I want to draw the top view, then once again it is projected on the HP and that is denoted by D. So both the points are over here. So now I can look at the projection of the point D, that is exactly on the XY line. Is it really very simple, my dear friends? Can you draw now the projection of any points with reference to this XY line? Yes, definitely you can do it. At last, where is the projections, that means top view and front view, if point is in third quadrant? Write your answer in the comment box. Thanks my dear friends for watching this video. Press the like button to appreciate it.